This right here is the Airrobo PC10 cordless pool cleaning robot, their latest and greatest model, improved on all levels for an amazing price point. Really, I didn't believe it myself at first. You gotta see for yourself. Compared to the predecessors, it offers many more sensors to achieve a stable wall climb in all conditions, even for rounded pools like in my case, as well as an improved inlet, as well as duct design for better flow and now even stronger suction all in all, allowing for a fast and reliable cleaning of the whole pool, leaving it in pristine condition. All in all, it is equipped with 3 motors and it filters 40 GMP or 150 liters per minute, and the scrubbing power is next level as well. Their testing showed that it is at least 10 times more efficient than traditional cleaning equipment, and the now even larger battery of 5200 milliamp hours allows for up to 120 minutes of continuous cleaning action, and this runtime is plenty for most standard pools, and it will charge up in under 2.5 hours. It is super fast. And then on top they even added yet another chip just for the path planning and navigation. So they really spared no expense to bring you a great product. They made it even more efficient thanks to precise and structured cleaning paths without duplicate and unnecessary paths and so on. And it also offers an intelligent parking system. The filter is amazing. It even filters out small debris and small biomatter. It is very fast and easy to clean. And this robot is just an all-in-one hassle-free experience. So yeah, looks and sounds amazing, right? But is it actually that good? Well, let's find out. New drip. Got the new drip from Airrobo, the PC10 cordless pool cleaning robot. And by the way, if you're interested already, then check out the product links in the description. I will list and link the best deals for you. Yeah, now let's check it out. That's the box right here. It says factory sealed on the top and the side. We have all of that. Then we have this side. It's looking really cool. And on the last side, more small print. So let's open it up and let's check it out. And there we go. So right there on the top, we have the packing list right there, and also this on the lower end of it. It comes with a maintenance kit, epic to see. And then on the first cardboard piece, we also have all the accessories. So the brick, the maintenance kit, the manual and the hook. And underneath here, underneath this padding, we have the robot. So the box is now empty. So let's move on straight away. So here we go. Let's start with the paperwork, and everything is nicely sealed up in these bags. It's also great to keep it in here. Then you can store it outside with the robot without having to fear that it will get water damaged. But in any case, it is of course multi-language. So we have the contents right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And that's it. Then next we have the maintenance kit, and as you can see there is quite a lot in here, namely different screws, also self-tapping screws, a flip buckle handpiece, a circlip and a rubber strip. So tons of spare parts, love to see that. That's actually the first time that I'm seeing something like that. And we have the hook right here that will fit any of the pool poles, looking absolutely beautiful. Look at that, really nice spring-loaded mechanism in here. And lastly, we have a powerful brick inside here with the regular plug for the wall socket, a nice looking elaborate plug for the pool robot, and the brick itself right here, looking absolutely beautiful. You can wall mount this with the input and output and all the small print right here on the backside. So to recap, the brick, the hook, the maintenance kit, as well as the paperwork. Done with the unboxing. Let's get to my first impressions and then of course to a close overview. And there we go. The robot is wrapped up. So let me get it out like that. Now that is one beautiful machine right there. Well, look at that. It looks amazing with all those hypercar flare design elements, nice color scheme with the white shiny body, a few black and blue highlights and the gray chains, as well as scrubbing elements right there. The new sensors on the front, nice switch. We can charge it up right there, and a nice handle, and it's actually surprisingly light for the power that it packs. Really refined from all sides. Wow. So yeah, let's take a close look. So the bottom right here, nice guidance elements right there. Here the inlet, which was completely redesigned, additional rolls for that as well. And we can see the dual scrubbing brush that will actually articulate with the chain. I love the new backside right there, super smooth and ergonomical for the flow of the water. And it also has these nice design elements all throughout the body. Looks really cool. Then on this side, we have the chain as well as the whole side, which is looking really cool and spacious, looks like a spaceship. Looks really awesome. Same on the other side, but right here we also have the charge port and we can just screw this open for charging it. And of course, it's important to close this up to prevent it from corrosion by the water. Then here on the front, right here, the scrubbing brushes, super large and powerful, these sensors. And not to forget the top side right there with the 4-way switch, off, auto, floor, wall. And after each use, of course, slide it to the off position. Here we have the outlet for the water. It will get blasted straight out of here. And the full top side looks like that. The design is just lovely with the handle on the back. And here we also have the open button basically. So we just have to open it like so. It will pop up the trunk basically. In here we have the filter basket and we can pull it out like that. Inside here we have the motors, 3 powerful motors and the filter basket. Look at that, super fine mesh, looking beautiful. Just a beautiful design all in all. And we can open it up right here. Super easy to clean. We can just rinse it out with a hose, anti-backlash, backflow valve for the water of course. And it will close like that. And we even have a little rubber holder right there that we can pull in or push in. And just like that, we are ready for actually using it. Not bad, right? So let's take it outside and then finally test it. And there we go. That's the pool and it's pretty much in perfect condition for this test. The last review is a few weeks ago. And as you can see, we have all sorts of debris on the floor as well as a dirty water line. Check it out right there. It's nasty. So this pool is in desperate need of a cleanup. We have the stones, plant matter, little tree branches, all of that good stuff down here. So first of all, I want to test the floor mode, then the wall mode, and then the auto mode. So let's go. So let's slide it over to the floor mode. We are fully charged up, of course. It's now in the detection mode. So when we just dump it in, it will start right away. So there we already go, sinking to the bottom. And now it's starting. Right on. As you can see, strong motors. It is blasting out the water on the top quite hard. And wow, it is actually super fast. Look at that. That is incredible. And as you can see, the trail is super clear. So it's picking up all of that stuff down there. Turning around. It's so fast. Check that out. Oh yeah, that's a good one right there. Check that out. Sucking up everything in the path for strong scrubbing power. Oh my goodness, the floor cleaning test turned into a complete pool restoration. I was wondering why the robot started lifting up. And now look at that. The filter was fully clogged up by these airborne seeds that accumulated on the bottom. That is just crazy. Look at that. So for a serious cleaning session, it's better to babysit the robot. It's clear to see when it will lift up, then the filter needs to be cleaned out ASAP. I did this for the first 10 minutes and it's awesome to see that this robot can even handle really hard scenarios with ease. Now here, the second time, it's already starting to pick up much more stuff. Also these rocks, also tree branches, all of that stuff. Look at that, so much stuff inside of this filter. And now for another round. And now check this out, filter number 3. Now we're getting somewhere. All this small biomatter has been removed already. Now the filter is not clogging up. Now with the small plant matter gone that was clogging up the filter, it was now able to keep going until the floor was completely spotless. So there we go. Now look at the pool. The floor is already in spotless condition. Not a single speck left. And now it's time for the wall test because the water line, as you can see, we need to get this clean as well. So let's check out what we got. This is the 4th filter and as you can see, another load. 6 stones in here, tons of plant matter. And as you can see, it is very easy to clean. So from big to small debris, doesn't matter. This robot will get it all out. And now let's see how good it can scrub the water line. So back in with the filter, let's slide it over to wall mode. And now let's see what we will get. And if these new sensors will do a great job as well. So there we go. Already climbing up the wall. There we go. And now scrubbing all the way up to the water line. Now check that out. Coming up again. And check out this huge difference right there. This was the scrubbing. That was how it looked before. So now right here, that is crazy. So now right there, and it will go up and down the wall in an intelligent pattern. So it will get done the whole water line in no time to make it look like that all the way around. And even rounded walls, like in my case, are no problem. And as you can hear, great scrubbing power all the way up to the water line. So there we go, it's still going strong. Even obstacles like this are no problem. Great to see. And now check out the pool. The water line is in pristine condition like the rest of the pool. Seriously, check that out. Amazing job. Look at that. It is super clean all the way around. It would keep going and it is already active for almost 2 hours. So great battery runtime, but it just makes no sense to let it run. It's already perfect. So good timing right there. Let me just grab it. And lastly, the last mode would be the auto mode. And this time I will not disrupt the cleaning cycle so that we also can see the intelligent parking system in action. And one last time, that's what the filter got. All that nasty stuff from the water line, of course, it's all in here. Absolutely amazing. So let's charge it up all the way to 100% once more. And then we will go for the auto test. So there we go, it's the next day. The pool is still looking great, aside from a few of these seats on the surface. And I also dropped in a few of these stones right there for good measure. So now let's check out the auto mode and let's watch it do a full cycle. All right, let's go. So starting up. And one thing I like about this robot is the actual speed. It's so fast, it's crazy. Now this is a full cycle of the auto mode. So after dropping it in, it will start with cleaning the walls and the water line and then switching over to the floor mode. It's about 50-50 when it gets to the time. And when it's done, it will self-park itself on the edge of the pool, making it very easy for retrieving it. So here we go. It's self-parked itself all the way over there, right at the edge, making it super easy for retrieving it. And check it out, the pool is in pristine condition, except for all those super annoying seeds that are flying into it literally on a hourly basis. And eventually they will sink down to the bottom and accumulate on the floor. So having a pool cleaning robot like the PC10 is awesome for the daily maintenance. It will pick up all the stuff on the floor in no time. And check it out over there, that's where I placed the stones, it's all gone. And with that said, let's take it out and see what it collected. So here we go. Let's not forget to turn it off right away. That's the filter looking pretty good. All the stones in here. And again, look at this spectacular result. All the walls as well as the water line got scrubbed thoroughly. No stains, no biomatter, nothing left, as well as on the floor. Just a perfect result. And it will all end up in here. So look at that, all the stones, more of those seeds that already sunk, also lots of sand. So let's clean out the filter, put it back in, and just like that we would be ready for the next cycle. Awesome for daily maintenance, super quick, super thorough, great cleaning results. So massive thumbs up from my side. The PC10 is awesome. So as you saw, excellent build quality as well as hardware with a really cool design. It works great, it is intuitive, and there is no app. It is just plug and play, put it into the pool, it will just work. And all those features and capabilities for such an amazing price point, it is so much better than the competition, especially in this price segment. I'm absolutely amazed, so many great features, and the navigation as well as the cleaning capabilities are outstanding and so much better than all their predecessors. Top tier value right here. Airrobo just always brings amazing value to the table with great looking devices and a top of the line ecosystem. And of course the PC10 right here is a definitely drippy. Check out the product links in the description if you're interested. I will list and link the best deals for you. But before you go, smash that like button, then subscribe, ring the bell and click all to never miss amazing tech magnet videos. That's it for this one. Enjoy your day and I will see you soon.